Crafting Vicky here with you, and I'm here for an unboxing from One Day Savings. You know how much I love doing diamond painting, but they don't have just that. They have other items as well. And in my order that you're going to be seeing, there are other things in there, including this little cutie. So before I start, all the information for these products will be in the description box below, so you can find them easily, as well as the discount code. And sometimes they have special promotions, and that will be also listed if they have one right now. This first little thing I just thought was the cutest thing ever. So it looks like a little fridge. As you can see, you can put little things on it, but what I thought of putting on it is actually some stickers, diamond stickers. So there is a little fridge, and then you open it up, and it has a little pocket, a little drawer. And here you've got extra little space, so you could put something in there, a little pad of paper or something. But at the top you can put your pencils, so a bunch of pencils, for example, and this will stay on your desk. And I just thought it was just so adorable, the fact that it has this little door, but you've got your pencils at the same time super easily, and then you can put little magnets or what, you know, like little stickers like you would put for a magnet on the fridge. So I thought that was so, I had to get it to decorate my desk. Then I've got this set here of beautiful stickers. These are butterfly stickers. So how fun would these be to put on top of some cards, and to put on top of the little fridge. So I thought these would be great fun, and they're small projects, so I love that. And I love the fact that you've got everything that you need in the kit right there. That's one of the things that I totally adore with these kits, is it comes with everything. So even if you have never done diamond painting, you have everything that you need right there with it. Then there's this beautiful bag. You saw me make quite a few of these bags during the winter time for Christmas. These are wine bags, but they also have some which have patterns. So this one is some beautiful flowers. So how cool would it be to prepare this ahead of time, and then to give a hostess with a nice bottle of wine. So that's one of the things that I'm going to be doing soon, so that I'm ready for the summertime and I can bring this along. So there's that. And then I'm totally obsessed with Animal Crossing. I love Animal Crossing, and they had these beautiful stickers of Animal Crossing items. So you've got Isabelle, and then you have all the different characters. I just so happy with these. So I figured that I would get these, and I can decorate some of my journals with them. So there's that. And then finally, they have some items for nails as well. And one of the things that you've probably noticed is I do my nails now. I've got my own gel machine that I use at home. The thing is, it's UV lights. I don't think it's, I mean, the lights, they're small lights, and you don't put your hands for very long. But I saw these, and it says put me on before you do the UV. And I figured, you know what, maybe I should have this way when I'm doing my nails, the rest of my hand is not affected by the light. So I thought it was a great solution for this. It has crossed my mind, because I don't know, I know that, for example, if you go in tanning beds and things, it's not good for you. So I figured who knows, for the nails. And I used to go to the salons, and it was the same thing. You would still have to put your hand in the light. So now I'm going to be wearing these, just an extra precaution. So they had that, but they also have other items that are related to nail products and stuff. So yeah, so you will be seeing more of me making these very soon, and hopefully decorating this little fridge maybe with some of those stickers once I've got them done. I just love this so much. Just so sweet. I'm such a big baby. I love anything that's toy, and I just thought it's super sweet with the little stickers. Yeah. So in the description box below, all the links to them. A lot of people have commented on my videos that they've ordered items from them and they've loved them. So I know that it's not just me reviewing and having really good comments. I received really good comments from other people as well. So go and check them out if you've never tried this. It's super fun, especially if you do small projects. They don't take that long, and it's just very relaxing. So love you all so very much. Take care and see you soon. Bye.